How to delete AliExpress account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for aliexpress.com. You will be led to the official webpage of AliExpress. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. And now, in order to delete your AliExpress account, go ahead and tap on your name drop down you see on the top right of your screen, and further tap on the settings option. Now, on the top left side toolbar, you will see the Help Center option. Tap on that. A bunch of options will appear. Tap on the How to Delete My Account option under the Account Management tab. You will then see the Please Click Here option. Tap on the Here option in blue color. In the interface that you will then be led to, tap on the Delete Your Account option. You will now see the button for Delete Your Account. Tap on that and AliExpress will send you a code in the email address associated to your account. Enter the email address and tap on the Verify button, and finally tap on the Delete Account button, and with this the account deletion process will begin. So, this is how you can delete AliExpress account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.